Every time I buy a denim top, I feel like a sausage that's about to explode from the package. And I was stunned by how good this fits me. There's still a little bit of space. It is definitely true to size. I'm so glad I got a size small. I was this close to getting a medium, but medium fits me just way too big. I'm 135 pounds. I'm a size D up here. And as you can see, this is like corset style. So this forces your chest to like push up, and it makes everything look so nice of the collar. And then the sleeves are long and they cover the arms, which I love the oversized look. I got this from Cider. Obsessed, girl. If you want to get it, link is right here.
5. Okay, yours na, Mami Jasmine. Aray ko! Muntikan ng matumba ang babae. Okay, yours na to, Mami Jasmine. Pa-confirm. May pa-confirm ako. May Yes, Mima, meron. Abang-abang ka lang dyan. Okay. Nag-PM po ako. Wala pong reply. Meron tayong admin doon. Hintayin mo na lang, sis. My plain black is small. Yes, Mima. Abang-abang ka lang dyan. Size is small. Pero hindi siya plain, may pagka-white siya. Pero ang syala nito, Mima, high waist ang atake. Size is small, size is small. O, diba? Size is small, code 5. Size is small, code 5. Code 5, Mima, code 5. Size is small, code 5. Okay, another. Bakit panay code 5 naman? Okay, another. Ay, bakla. Size is small again, Mima. Oh, di ba? Ang syala. Size is small, pa-high waist. Size is small, code 5. Code 5. Size is small, code 5. Puro naman code 5. Okay, another. Okay. Yours na, Mami Mara. Pa-confirm, Mami Mara. Pa-confirm. Okay, yours na, Mami. Thank you po. Same tayo. Small to med, depende sa medium. Kasi may mga medium na may maliliit pero malaki yung brand niya. Ganun. Paano po mag-order, ma? Check the yellow basket, yes. Tapos i-click. When? May wala na ba yung kabila today? Mawala ba yung kabila today? Sis, meron. Meron yun. Siguro nagkamali lang kasi pending kasi yung ano mo kanina, Sai. Pending daw yung ano mo pala. Size is small. Ay, ang syala. Size is small, size is small. Size is small, code 5. Size is small, code 5. Code 5 again. Okay. Ay,
bukas doon pa ako sa Simware. Be, di ba napamain mo yun kay Mercy? Iba daw yung dumating. Sino kayo nag-pack? Tumatawag siya sa akin kanina.
yun nga din, dalawa yun, gray tsaka orange yung napamain ko.
Oo, tapos iba naman yung dumating.
Alas 12 na kumakuha.
Ay, tawag parang pinadalhan siya ng ibang item kasi pending daw yun eh. Kung ni Sunshine Day. Siguro is, mamaya, tumatawag siya sa akin kanina, video call, be, naka-live ako. Next tayo. Ayan, last flex. Ten. Next tayo, si Yellow. Yellow. Magsasamba pala si G. Size large. Meron ba siya doon? Tinatawagan ko. Size large. Ayan, size large, 89. Code ng 0. 89, code ng 0, 89. Code ng 0 ha.